Yep, comes their water. Food. Put it like that so they don't get as many shavings in there. Alright, let's open it up.
Let's open it up.
What do we have in here?
Turkey chicken.
Good job.
All of those. We got all of those. Hi.
And we got a bonus chick. Here's our bonus chick. Because when you order so many, you get an extra. Hi, little baby. Okay, so we want to. Oh, you're so tiny. Put their feet in the water. How many do we have?
One. Mommy can help me.
Oh, perfect. Oh, thank you. Don't drop them.
Okay.
And we dip their beaks in the water so they know where their water is. It's okay. So we've got a combination of Red Ranger chicks for meat and Cornish cross.
Wait, they're white.
Yeah, the Cornish cross ones are kind of, they will be white. They're kind of yellow right now.
They're put up there.
They're so cute. And then we'll have turkeys come tomorrow. Huh.
And the dogs. Oh, and the mail?
Yep. The turkey poults come in the mail, huh? Just like last time.
Yeah.
Oh, we should turn the heat lamp on.
Oh, yeah.
We'll do that in a second.
Yeah.
Hi. Oh, they're so cute.
Oh,
So cute.
so cute. Okay.
Oh, you're walking in the water. Don't walk in the water.
No, there. No,
Don't walk in the water.
wow.
It's so little.
That's so little.
So cute and
No, they're pink. Get their arms sweat.
oh, chickens don't have arms. They have wings.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I got arms. And you got arms.
that's right.
And Daddy got arms. And Chicken got arms.
Yep.
And Chicken Turkey got
Wings.
wings. To fly, 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 fly.
Okay.
Okay. There we go.
All right, we're gonna close it,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna turn their lamp on. Which, I think this one's the plug. Cool. Okay, so it's been a while since I posted a video for you guys. We went on a long trip, and when we came back, it was just go, go, go to get the garden in the ground, to get some projects done. So we've been back for a few weeks, but it's just been so busy that I haven't had time to really film much. So this is what we're up to. You know, we've been working in the garden. I finally got the garden planted. We've been doing some projects with the chickens. While we were gone, the ravens decided to pick our little homestead to pick on. So ravens are really, really smart, and they had figured out how to fly into the chicken coop in the little tiny chicken coop door and steal eggs. And they were stealing all the eggs and kind of terrorizing my chickens. And then they also steal pig food. The pigs I'm not too worried about because they can hold their own, but terrorizing my chickens and stealing my eggs is not okay. So we have been working really hard to deter these ravens. And these ravens, guys, they've been taunting me. They will sit in the trees outside my bedroom window and wake me up in the morning because they know, I swear, they know which room that we sleep in. And then when we're outside, they just sit in the trees and watch us and wait for us to leave. So to deter them, I've put a wind chime out on the coop. See the wind chime? And I have a little flag thing here. This is the door that they get in and out. They're so stinking smart. They watch the chickens go in and out of there, and they figured out, oh, well, we can go in there and steal eggs. I have a makeshift scarecrow, which is really pathetic, but what do you do? It's just some poles that I found in the shop and put some clothes on it, and I have to move it every day. Otherwise the ravens will figure it out. Oh yes, hello Reba. And as soon as we got back from our trip, we got our first batch of meat chicks. So here's those little guys. They're a little bit cold, I think, so turn that one back on. We decided to move the brooder outside because it's warm enough now. We still have the heat lamps for them so they don't get too cold, but it has helped with smell and then just keeping them outside where they belong. It's been good. I like the setup that we have. So yeah, what else has been up on the homestead? A lot of work. But yeah, we're back. I'm gonna be making videos again. I'm excited to show you guys what's up now that it's like full-blown garden harvest season. Well, not harvest, but soon to be harvest season. You know, the nice weather's out, and yeah, I'm excited to take you guys along. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I do lots of motherhood, homesteading, natural living, all those kinds of videos. And if you like this video, give a like, subscribe, and till next time, welcome to the homestead.